Hi, I'm Joe Clark, the founder of Taskbill.io. I'm going to show you how you can use Taskbill to track your time and your team's time spent on client tasks. The first thing we need to do is add our client to Taskbill. We just need to enter some basic information in order to send them an invoice. After we add our client, we need to set up a project. We need to give it a name, and we're going to sync with Asana. We're going to select the workspace and project name, and select our new client. Taskbill can also sync tasks with Basecamp, Trello, and Monday, or you can enter tasks directly into Taskbill. Next, we need to enter in our default rate and click Create Project. Taskbill will now connect with Asana and download all of our tasks already added to Asana. We can search for tasks or filter by task completion. We can also quickly add a task to Asana directly from Taskbill. When you're ready to start working, just select your task from the list and click Start Timer. If you need to make a change to the task, you can click the View Task button and be taken directly to the task in Asana. If you have a Chrome or Firefox extension installed, you can also start and stop tasks directly from Asana. When you're finished working, click the Stop Timer button. You'll see the time log entry below. If you need to adjust this log entry, just click on it, and you can adjust the start and stop times. You can also manually log hours by clicking the Log Time button. If your task is complete, you can mark Task Complete in Taskbill, and they'll be automatically marked Completed in Asana. Any new tasks you add in Asana will automatically synced over to Taskbill in near real time. Now let's take a look at our dashboard. You'll be able to quickly see how much time you've logged this week, this month, and today. If you're using Taskbill with your team, we have a team dashboard that will show you the total number of hours logged today, this week, and this month. You can also quickly see what everyone on the team is either currently running a timer for, or if they're not running a timer, you can see what they worked on recently. You can click on any of these tasks to view more information. Now let's take a look at the reporting features of Taskbill. You can access the team time logs by selecting a date range, and you can also filter by customer and team member and download the report to Excel. We also have a project task activity report that you can see the total amount of hours logged against each task for a given time period. You can also filter this report by customer, team member, and download the report in Excel. Now that we've logged some hours, let's take a look at sending a new invoice to a client. From the new invoice screen, we'll see a list of all of our tasks that have not yet been billed. Check each task that you're ready to bill for. After you select the task, you can adjust the hours and rate as needed. You can add additional line items by clicking the Add Line Item button. When you've selected everything that should be billed, we click Continue to view the draft invoice. If it looks good and you're ready to send an invoice, click the Publish Invoice button to email the invoice to your client. They will receive a detailed email with each line item and the invoice attached as a PDF. There's also a special link included in the email to view the invoice. If you've connected your Stripe account, they'll be able to pay the invoice using a credit card. You can also view the invoice and add a payment manually if they send you a check, for example. Any payments will show up here in the Transactions section. We hope you find Taskbill as useful for time tracking as we do. If you have any questions about Taskbill or have a feature suggestion, please feel free to email us at at support@taskbill.io. Thank you.